ever bought.
There we go. It's May 2nd, 2010. We had hope for good weather, but it's not turned out that way, so we can't spray the car today anyway. Maybe tomorrow will be different. But what we are going to do is we're going to paint the wheels, tidy them all up so they look superb. We might even put them back on the car and give it just a little bit of a ride up and down on the front here. Something to do on these bank holiday weekends, isn't it? And here are those wheels. Give these a nice sorting out. Just fill the paint and just fill in these bits here with a bit of black enamel paint, and then tie paint that up. Well, we're halfway there. It's just these little finer corners here we've got to do in a bit. I haven't got a very fine paintbrush, so I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that, but I'm just going to let these bits of paint dry now and have another go in a few minutes. Got the wheels on now, so what we're going to do is take the car off the axle stands and onto its wheels for the first time in a year. Hopefully start the car up and then have a little drive around the path. Okay, well the car's back on the ground. We're going to try starting it now for the first time. Well, the first time with it being on the ground, so fingers crossed. Do you know, I knew I should have put that battery on charge. Well, a suitable day has arrived to do the respray. It's Bank Holiday Monday, May the 3rd, I think it is. It's a little bit windy, but very sunny, and I think today's the day we can do it. We're going to do the undercoat, 2 coats, let it dry, maybe a quick rub down, and then straight on with the colour. Get it all done today, get it over and done with, and then we can work on putting the car back together. After you've done the respray, it's a great feeling because everything's positive, then you're putting it all back together. So let's get this respray done and move on.
Okay, all the cars masked up ready now. Unfortunately the clouds decided to come over, but as long as it doesn't rain we're okay. Now, I've been over the whole body with this G4 cutting compound. I must say, because it's such a good respray, I've not had to do that much. Just the roof and the bonnet really needed some work. The rest of it is really fantastic. I don't know if you can see there, but I've finished off the wheels with hello Cap. I finished off the wheels with this permanent marker rather than painting them. I don't think anybody can see any difference. So those look pretty smart now. We're putting these headlights back in, and they have sort of a rubber gasket there at the back, which I suppose stops them banging.